Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're showing you this air fryer parchment paper. You guys get a real user experience with my videos. So go over a couple things. It's non-stick, it's heat resistant, it's food grade, and it's waterproof and oil resistant. You get 100 of these parchment papers, and they are 6.5 inches. So that is what they look like. It helps keep your air fryer clean, so you're not cleaning it every single time you make a little piece of chicken or something. Let's go ahead and show you guys how it looks actually being used. Alright my friends, whatever size you have, these work great. Small or bigger, just like that. And now we place our food inside. Okay, here we go. Everything was made in here. Ooh, got it nice and crispy. And everything stayed in this basket. One moment. Just like that. Everything stayed inside. The liquid, as you can see, did not go through. Overall, absolutely love these guys. Now it's time to eat.